From the by-elections and the results to other stories that are equally making headlines, and President Uhuru Kenyatta has today flagged off the distribution of over 490,000 vaccines to the 9 regional vaccine facilities as the vaccination exercise is set to kick off tomorrow at the Kenyatta National Hospital. And as Zainab Mohammed now reports, healthcare workers will be given priority in the vaccination.
After the long wait, the government says the vaccination process will begin on Friday with health workers at the Kenyatta National Hospital. Speaking during the flagging off ceremony of the distribution of over 490,000 vaccines to the 9 regional vaccine facilities, President Uhuru Kenyatta has assured Kenyans that the government aims to ensure that the vaccine gets to all Kenyans.
Ni mwanzo. Nataka sisi zote tujue hivyo. Huu ni mwanzo, sio mwisho wa safari. Na tunataka kuhakikisha ya kwamba Wakenya wote wameweza kupata chanjo ambaye itawasaidia kuzuia huu ugonjwa wa COVID-19.
The head of state father says despite the vaccination process being rolled out, Kenyans will have to continue following the COVID-19 containment measures in order to curb further spread of the disease.
Wakati tunaanza hiyo safari, ningeendelea kuhimizia wenzangu wa Kenya ya kwamba bado jangwa hili la ugonjwa liko nasi. Tusione ya kwamba sasa madawa yamefika, maisha itarudi kikawaida.
On his part, Health CS Mutahi Kagwe dismissed claims that Kenya has purchased the COVID-19 vaccines at a high price compared to other countries, saying Kenyans should be worried about rumors.
When we are talking about the costs of vaccine, sir, what we have got here has not been bought, not a single shilling has been used, as opposed to popular debates around how much, whether we are buying more than Brazil and other things. The truth of the matter is that the current vaccines delivered here by UNICEF we have not spent any money whatsoever.
The Kitengela Central Storage Unit is a state-of-the-art facility built in 2013 and has a capacity to store more than 6 months of vaccine stock for the country. Rollout of the distribution of COVID-19 vaccines today gives a new ray of hope in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic as the government continues to appeal to Kenyans to continue following the COVID-19 containment measures in order to avoid unnecessary deaths. Zainab Mohammed, TV47 at the Kitengela Storage Unit in Kajiado County.